Today we'll be learning the Charleston. It's a basic shuffle step that consists in crossing when stomping with one leg while pivoting with the other. So let's get right into it. Hi, it's Marvik. I've been shuffling since 2014 and teaching it professionally since 2018. And the Charleston consists in two moves, one with each leg. With one leg, we'll be pivoting on the spot. So imagine I'm pivoting with my left now. So I'll be pivoting 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. I'll be pivoting with the toe, and with the other leg, in that case it's my right leg, we're going to do a semicircle. So first we're going to practice this semicircle. So we're back here, open and cross, and when we cross we need to place the foot in front of the other. So we do a semicircle, 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. And now when we do the semicircle in shuffling, since we have stomping, we have to get a little bit of height and then stomp down while doing the semicircle. So we're back here, we open in 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. Okay, now we need to put together both movements. You need to have one foot in front of each other and both feet have to be looking out. So your toes have to be pointing to the outside. So the left toe is pointing to the left, the right toe is pointing to the right. And now when we start doing the pivot, we do half pivot and at the same time we do half semicircle. So N, and then we close the semicircle like this and we finish the pivot. Movements have to be simultaneous. N, 1. And now we're doing the same but backwards. So we're doing the semicircle backwards and the pivot does the same. So we merge the two moves. We start a semicircle, start pivoting, and 1. Now to the front again, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Now let's do it with the other leg. Everything that you do only with one leg, then try it out with the other. So one foot in front of the other, and we start semicircle plus pivoting. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. We're doing the basic Charleston, and the movement of this step is usually done forward and backwards. So we have to do this forward and backward motion. We just need to chain one semicircle with each leg. Since the one pivoting is remaining on the spot, we'll be doing like steps, like if we were walking, same to the front, then to the back. So now we're going forward. I'm going a little bit backwards, so I have more space. And now we start. We go first, in case this is my right, and 1, another, and 2, right again, and 3, left, and 4. Now, if we want to go backwards, we have to do the same, but do it semicircles to the back. So I have the left in the front, I go to the back, and 1, another right to the back, and 2, left, and 3, right, and 4. If you don't know which leg you have to move to go to the direction you want, always think that if you want to go to the front, you will have to do the semicircle with the leg you have in the back. And if you want to go backwards, you always have to start the semicircle with the leg you have in the front. Once you start taking over this motion, you can literally change the direction at any point you want. Just instead of going forward, you start going backwards, and you can combine it any way you want. You can do 4, 4, 4, 4, or you can do 4, 2, 2, 4. You can change the direction as many times as you want. So let's do a couple of patterns. I'll start doing first 4 to the front, 4 backwards, 4 forward, and 4 backwards. So let's start. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is like a basic pattern that it's easy to get. Now let's try 4, 2, 2, 4. Okay, so let's start. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. As I said before, once you start taking over this and you feel more in control of the Charleston, you can start doing any pattern you want and change the direction at any time. Now I'll be doing a final exercise. I'll be playing some music and I'll be doing the Charleston to the beat, and depending on how I'm feeling when dancing, I'll be switching from forward to backwards. You can try to do it too and just change at any time. However you're feeling, you say, now I want to go forward, you go forward. Now I'm going to go backwards, backwards. You want to do 2, 1, 3, 4, 2, 1, 2. It doesn't matter. This exercise is for you to try the Charleston, start to get comfortable with it, and explore the possibilities that you can start having with the basic Charleston. So let's cue the music and start the exercise. If you struggle going to the beat, you can check this video right here, which I'll break down how can you speed up your shuffling at any speed from any speed. As I said, this is the most basic version of the Charleston, and this is where you build on top of it. So you need to really internalize and understand what's going on here. And it's probably that the Charleston you have in mind right now is the one you're seeing now on screen, which is a variation of the Charleston that is the most done and the most common that you can see in many shufflers. So if you want me to break this variation down for you, just let me know in the comments if you want to learn it too. And that's it for this video. Leave a like if you learned the Charleston, subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.